I'm a hard surface concept designer. My goal is to design objects that are aesthetically pleasing while limiting the amount of constraints on my creativity. Unfortunately, 3D is nothing but constraints, and so it's been my goal over the last couple of years to find workflows that maximize creative freedom. Topology and polymodeling has always felt like an unnecessary technical burden that you're forced to contend with, and so almost all of these newer workflows start by cutting it out entirely. This comes with some obvious downsides, one of which is that you leave behind the massive toolset polymodeling softwares provide.
Animation, rendering, lighting, texturing, and add-ons are no longer integrated into your toolset.
But what if there were methods of working in Poly that gave you that creative freedom back? Then you could fully capitalize on the integrated toolset and streamline your workflow within Blender. That's where this workflow comes in. You see, unlike its competition, Blender has non-destructive workflows, live booleans, modifiers, and advanced add-ons that allow us to make design decisions without committing to a final result. This gives us an unprecedented amount of control over the early stages of a design. And while these methods don't completely get rid of topology, they make it an afterthought with design being the primary focus. Here's my assessment. Programs like CAD or ZBrush excel in the later stages of a design, but Blender dominates the first half. And in my opinion, this is really where a design matters most. No amount of late-stage fancy detailing is going to save your bad design, so having flexibility in the early stages and exploring using non-destructive workflows will set you up for success. And that's what I aim to show you in this tutorial. In this two-part series, I will show you my hybrid Boolean workflow. In part 1, I'll walk you through every tool, add-on, and modifier I use to maximize my creative proficiency inside of Blender. Then, in part 2, I'll walk you through the entire creation process of the Gecko cylindrical pistol. This includes 9+ hours of content where I guide you from start to finish, all while describing my thought process, showing unique ways to use the tools, and providing insights into my design workflow. This section will contextualize your new toolset and put it into practice. If you're ready to upgrade your workflow, then part 1 is 100% free and available to download right now.